All of the court's issues can be reduced down to three main points. One being who's been the parent primarily responsible for the child's education, who's been the parent primarily responsible for the child's health care, and who has been the parent primarily responsible for the child's day-to-day needs. And whoever fits the bill on all three of those prongs is going to more likely be the parent that the court will favor in deciding who gets custody. When it comes to educational needs, what I'm specifically referring to is the parent who's makes sure that the kid gets their homework done on time, make sure that they attend parent-teacher conferences, deals with any kind of issues that come up with the school regarding the child's education, learning disability, or disciplinary issues. When I speak about healthcare needs, what I'm specifically talking about is whether or not, whether which parent has been responsible for the child's, who made sure the child's got their shots, who made sure the child got to the dentist and got all the checkups done, who's the one who manages that aspect of the kiddo. And then when I refer to day-to-day needs, what I'm really referring to is who's the person that helps a kid get through a day. Who's the one to make sure they get up on time, who's the one to make sure they get fed breakfast, who gets them to school, who makes sure they have a lunch, who's the one that makes sure that they get all their homework done once they get home that night, get them tucked into bed, and make sure they're ready for the next day. So the parent who has navigated that child's day-to-day needs is also a significant thing. So between those three things, if a court hears that one parent's been responsible for those three things, that's more likely going to be the parent that the court's going to lean toward in determining who's going to be the primary parent in that child's life.